In this video, I'll show you how to promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest and make real money, even if you are just starting out. I'm going to show you a step-by-step strategy that I use to drive thousands of views and clicks to Fiverr services using nothing but Pinterest. No followers, no ads, no complicated setup, just smart pin design and high converting affiliate offers. If you are serious about earning commissions passively, this video is for you, and let's get started. So first you need to create an affiliate account like this one. So step number one, you will go to Google and you will search for Fiverr and click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. You will be in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will start promoting with Fiverr. They are really paying good commissions, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever as a beginner. Okay, anyway, you can go back to this page and click here on join now, so you can create your affiliate account. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have a website, you can say no, and choose your country from here, your location. It doesn't matter. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Just search for your country from here and choose your language. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, you should have an account like this one, and this will be your home page, and you should see here your commissions, your clicks, CTR, and so on. What you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting on Pinterest. Okay, and I'll share with you one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Pinterest. So what you will do next, pay close attention, go back to your home page on Fiverr over here and click on the search and search for Pinterest marketing. Search for this service. Okay, so since we will use Pinterest to promote our Fiverr affiliate links, we will choose services related to Pinterest, services that can help Pinterest users to grow their businesses inside Pinterest. Okay, so search for Pinterest marketing, scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. So how you can choose good sellers? Always choose like level 2 sellers or top rated sellers or pro sellers. Those sellers will be good sellers for you that you can choose to promote those services on Pinterest and earn a commission. So for example, I'm gonna choose like this one. This one is top rated seller. Okay, I will click on his service like this, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. As you can see that seller has 36 orders in queue. The numbers don't lie. You guys can see that it's already working. People already paying for those services to grow their Pinterest account. Okay, and people keep coming back, meaning that this seller is providing a good service for his customers and they are happy with the result. Okay, that's why they keep coming back to buy more, which is really good. So what I will do next, I will copy the link of the seller like this and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, your dashboard. Click on your dashboard over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, report payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, so let's go to Pinterest. Go and open a business account on Pinterest. If you don't have Pinterest account, the sign up process is super easy. All you have to do, you just need to use your email address and they will ask you, do you want to create a business account or personal account? It's better to use business account. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. They are getting so much traffic. You can make so much money if you are promoting your affiliate links on Pinterest, and if you are promoting services or product that people will be interested to buy from you. Okay, also Pinterest is a search engine platform. It's like Google and YouTube. Okay, so anyway, go back to this page, click here on home feed, and click on create pin. And we need to create a pin that we will use to promote our Fiverr service on Pinterest. So we need a picture. So to create a good eye-catching picture, you can go and use ChatGPT. Okay, go to ChatGPT and ask him, let me show you, ask ChatGPT to generate a pin ad picture that you can use to promote Pinterest marketing service on Pinterest. And ChatGPT created this picture for me, which is really good. I just need to click here on download, and the picture will be downloading to your laptop. Okay, you will go back to Pinterest, and you will just need to click over here and upload your picture. It's already done for you. Just use ChatGPT. Okay, as you can see, which is really good. I will click on open, and here you go. I will scroll down. I need to put here a title and description. So what I will do, I will go back to this seller profile page. I will copy his title like this, and I will go back to ChatGPT, and I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to turn this title into Pinterest pin title and use good SEO. Okay, and just put your title here, paste, click on this one, and ChatGPT will give you a good title that you guys can use to promote this service on Pinterest. You see this, which is really good. You just need to copy this one, go back to Pinterest, and put your title here. You need description. Go back to ChatGPT and ask him to create pin description from this title, and that's it. You should start using ChatGPT if you want to grow your affiliate marketing business inside Pinterest, because ChatGPT will help you a lot. Okay, it's gonna help you really a lot if you are using it good and correctly. So what I will do, I will copy this title, I will copy this description, go back to Pinterest and put this description here. Okay, and here you go. You need to put your affiliate link here. So I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account, and I will copy my affiliate link from here, go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. So for you guys, it's better to use landing page or an affiliate website. Okay, and inside your landing page or affiliate website, you can put all the services that you want to promote, and just put your landing page link here or website link here and start promoting limited services. Scroll down, click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board. You just need to give it a name, and that's it. You can create as many as you want. You need to put tags here. You can go to ChatGPT and ask him to give you tags, and that's it. It's super easy. Okay, you see this? ChatGPT will give you the tags that you guys can use, and here you go. We have Pinterest marketing, Pinterest account management, Pinterest SEO, and more. Copy all those keywords and put those keywords here. After you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. That's exactly how we can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. If you find this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, because we will share a lot of new methods that can help you promote your affiliate links with free traffic. And thank you so much for watching.